Phantom wallet airdrop called soon. So guys, this is a new airdrop that I've just landed on Solana blockchain, which is um on Phantom. All right, you can use only Phantom wallet to perform this airdrop. So I'll be showing you all the steps on how to qualify for this airdrop. Okay, now the update I got is that the more followers you have, the more airdrop you are going to get. So I'm going to run down all the steps for you. All right, now number one, phantom wallet airdrop. All right, so if you don't have phantom, go to Play Store and download phantom wallet, not softly, phantom. Okay, now once you're done downloading your phantom wallet, and already, or if you already have an existing phantom wallet, so all you got to do now is to go to Play Store and update it. But if you don't have, just download one, and then once you finish downloading, set up your first set up your wallet. And once you're done setting up your wallet, then follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video. So number one thing you're going to do is to create your username. Now if you have updated phantom wallet, you're going to see create a username. You're going to see create a username. Then what you're going to do is to create a username. All right, I'll be showing you that. Now the number two, you're going to gain followers. The numbers of followers will determine the number of airdrop you'll be getting. Okay, so I will show you that as well. Now followers will be affected for allocation. Like now, as you can see my username here. So what you're gonna do, once you have finished setting up your wallet, go and search for @coingecko and then make sure to follow me. Once you're done following me, join my Telegram. Go to the description box, click on it, then click on that description box. You're going to see my Telegram link. Join my Telegram link, then come to my Telegram and drop your own username. All right, drop your own username from there and I'll follow you back. Okay, so let me highlight it for you. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up your wallet and how to follow, because so many people do not know how to follow. Yeah, so I'm going to show you how to do that in your phantom wallet. Okay, so now once you're done following me, don't forget to follow me on my Telegram group. In that group, go and drop your username so I can follow you back. This airdrop is very huge. This is soon airdrop and it's very huge. Okay, the potential for this airdrop, you can make up to hundreds of dollars if you take it serious, according to them. All right, and it's your interaction that will determine the number of airdrop you will be getting. Okay, so update your app and go to the home page in your wallet. Create your username, gain followers. Follow will be affected by your for allocation. And then follow me this username @coingecko. Go and search it. So let's go to my phantom wallet. Let me show you guys how to update your. First of all, if you already have a phantom wallet, an existing phantom wallet, go to Play Store and click on update. Now if you don't have at all, okay, this airdrop is for everyone, both a new users of phantom wallet and the existing user of phantom wallet. All right, so now this is my phantom wallet. So all I'm going to do, I've already created a username, as you can see here @coingecko. My username is reflected there. But for your own, if you haven't created a username, you're going to see create a username to be where you're having search to explore to find new token. You're going to see create a username. So click on that create a username, and then once you click on a username, you're going to see they're going to show you I'm going to show you various username. They're going to show you examples of username they are going to use. Like the username should start with at grace, at peace, at this, etc. So make sure to follow the steps. Why mine is not reflecting? Because I've already created a username, right? So once you're done, let's assume you have already created a username. Let's say at Kingsley or at Joy or at Peace. You have created a username. Now once you create a username, link your wallet and all that is just follow all the steps. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, and once you're done, now the next thing you're going to do is how to follow. All right, how to follow. Now look at where in your home page you're going to see a search bar. This search bar, all right, click on the search bar and type in the name that you want to follow. Now let's go and look for a name. Okay, let me go and get a name and I'll follow that name. Okay, so if you want me to follow you, go and drop your username in my Telegram group. All right, drop your username in my Telegram group. I will follow you. So I've gotten a name now, and I'll be following this name that I copied now. So this is what you do. In your own page, this is your home page. You're going to see a search button. Click on this search button, right? Click on the search button. Now I'm pasting the name, the username that you copied, all right? Paste it, and then allow it to, okay, you can see, yeah. Now this person has 3 followers already. I'm going to click on it, and then see it shows that I'm following. Okay, so I follow this individual. So I'm going to go back again and search for another username. I'm going to get it here. Okay, and let me follow the second person. So guys, this is how we are going to do it. Go to my Telegram and drop your username. All right, so I'm going to go back again and search for the second person, and then I'll paste it, and then I'll search for it. You can see, so I'm going to go ahead and follow as well. Follow, just click follow. All right, so I'll follow that person. Then let's go and search another username. Now I'll follow the second person. I'm going to follow this person. Okay, you just copy, and then you search for it. So I'm going to follow. You can see how simple it is. All right, so let's follow another person. I'm following all these people. Then after I'm done following, I'll ask them to follow me as well. So for us to link this, for us to interact and get our followers, go and join my Telegram. All right, join my Telegram and drop your own username. Okay, so you just click on it. Once the name appear, click on it and click on follow. All right, now let's go again. All right, now I'm going to follow this last person. So I'm going to click on follow. You can see how simple it is. If yours is not working, that means there's something wrong. Make sure you have updated your app to the recent version. Okay, so I'm done following. So now I'm done following. I'm going to go give them mine to follow as well. All right, so I'm going to add this, and then I'm going to type mine, follow back. Then I'm going to put my username at homie crypto, right? Okay, have followed, right? Have followed. So guys, I'm gonna send. Okay, so this is why you should go now and then go and drop yours in my Telegram group. All right, drop yours in my Telegram group, and then I'll make sure to follow you. All right, and do well to share this video. The more you follow, the more airdrop you stand a chance to get. All right, the more people you follow, the more airdrop you stand a chance to get. So this is actually simple. This is very, very simple. I'll be dropping the Telegram group in the description box. Go and follow that Telegram link and drop your username, your phantom username. All right, if you still have a challenge on how to create username, put it down in the comment section. I will guide you as well. Okay, if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. You get notified whenever I post a new video. You'll be the first to see. I'll come back again with another interesting potential airdrop. Until then, stay tuned.